Got a cool fizzle to them, man. Some old school fuzzy wuzzy. These are essentially the old one knob Colorsound fuzzes I put on the breadboard and just started sticking all my old cool vintage parts on there and stuff. And man, they came out dark and they came out dirty. They got a weird finish to them, man. I like it. Like this grainy sort of Velcro-y texture. You know, they're basically fuzz faces, but the combination of stuff I got in there, they get a little tone bendy. Play guitar better than me, so that'll come out a lot better. One knob is just volume. I'm not very loud. It's late. My kids are asleep. But, man, if you got an amp that'll get bright, especially, these are going to be really sweet for you. Respond super crazy to the pickups. I'm going to play the same thing again from earlier with the neck pickup on and show you how dark it gets. I use BC109 transistors. They're super hot. I kind of think that, I mean, I guess they aren't. They're not really biased for optimal performance or whatever. So you don't get that kind of like fuzz face off. Instead, if you turn your volume down, you kind of get kind of this little plunky thing. I don't know. I don't know. And they do the fuzz face thing. Put it all the way down, you get some weird noise. You just got to stop at like 2. They're cool, man. They're a little bit different. They sound a little bit different. They're cool. Might be a cool fuzz for your collection. Check it out. Follow my shop on Reverb. Check me out on Instagram at Tiny.Garage.Pedals. Peace.